of yourself, your individuality, your ego. See that it is a unique individuality. And like a snowflake, there is none other like it in the universe. Now become aware of that silent awakeness whereby you can perceive your own self. This pure, silent awakeness, this consciousness, this pure spirit, it is that universal consciousness whereby you can perceive your own self. And it illuminates every other individual in the universe. It is that awakeness whereby you are awake at this moment. See this awakeness in its unbounded state, beyond space, time, and yet at every point in space and time. It is omnipresent, it is eternal. See this pure consciousness shining through every individual in your group. See it expanding throughout the area where you are located, sweeping over the land, through the earth, and into the sky, encircling the globe. All of this is awake. Planet Earth itself is conscious and awake, even as you are. This awakeness, this pure consciousness, is unbounded. It is infinite. Now see this pure consciousness expanding into deep space, embracing our solar system, filling interstellar space with this awareness, encompassing the entire Milky Way galaxy, this beautiful spiral arms, shining in a sea of pure awakeness, pure consciousness. And then expanding into intergalactic space, embracing the billions of galaxies, and then infinitely at every point in time and space, embracing the entire universe, which is awake, conscious, silent, even as you are awake and conscious, silent. Now take a moment, a few moments, to sit silently, reflecting this unbounded cosmic mind. Should a thought or sensation or perception arise, acknowledge it and let it go, and then return to this silent, unbounded, pure consciousness. silently for a moment in that unbounded state. Now, while established in that pure state of unbounded mind, being deeply aware of consciousness, pure mind, infinite silence. Awaken to deep space. If you see an extraterrestrial civilization or spacecraft or individual, acknowledge them. Convey your sense of oneness in this universal mind with them, and invite them to come to the place where you are located and to interact with your team if it is safe and appropriate for them to do so. Show these life forms. Convey to them clearly through coherent thought sequencing, which begins at this point, your exact location. Show them by remote viewing deep space, the beautiful Milky Way galaxy. And on one of the outer spiral arms is a star, the sun. Drawing closer to that star, there is the solar system with the planets, Mercury, Venus, the Earth with her moon, Mars, Jupiter, and the outer planets. All swimming in a sea of pure, unbounded consciousness. Show them the Earth, the beautiful blue orb shining in space. And as you draw near, show them the continent where you are located. If it is night on that continent, show them the continent and the cities illuminated by lights. Then as you draw nearer to the Earth, show them the area of the continent where you are located. And drawing closer still, the exact specific site where your research team is working. Convey to them very specifically this information and the number of the team members, the lights which will be used on site, the tones, and the other specifics of the research team. Continuously return to deep space, the Milky Way, solar system, the third planet from the sun, the Earth, the continent where you are located, the region repeat this process in a comfortable and easy fashion. And if at any point you feel strained or distracted, return to silence and access that pure, silent wakeness.
Se on kohdistettu niin.
And see that awakeness is in deep space and is omnipresent.
Juu.
Only at that point then return
Siitä se meni.
to the coherent thought sequence.
Yeah.
At all times, should you perceive through this non-linear mind an extraterrestrial spacecraft or extraterrestrial people, respectfully convey to